What's going on, everybody? So, back into a cold start. Love the way it sounds. Once again, stuck filling her up. She's always thirsty. So yeah, she's always thirsty. And let's get ready to make our way to Shell. It's the only gas station I normally go get my gas from is Shell. Make sure I don't hit the curb. But yeah, I mainly go get my gas from there. And it's really dark out here. It's not that dark, but you just see daylight. But apparently it is supposed to storm. We have a big storm coming in. And then going on to the next thing is it's about to storm, and I'm actually getting ready to make my way to work. I think I'm ready to make my way to work because I don't want to be driving in that storm knowing that my cold air intake pipes are really low to the ground. Even though I have that hydro shield on there, I still like to be safe. Alright. Get everything I need it. Gas, and since I have this car, I've always been running 93 octane. Never had an issue with it. Like I said, I go to Shell and use the V-Power, V-Nitro, or whatever you call it, but I always use the 93 octane gas, so if you're wondering. Get on the other highway because it's going to slow down right here in this area. It's all cluttered and stuff. Alright guys, sorry I haven't uploaded, what was 2 days ago. I'm trying to do better on uploading 2 videos a week. Slowly trying to put myself into it, but working a full-time job and doing this is a little bit challenging. 2 jobs actually. But we just came from watching the Pet Cemetery. Now we're finna get ready to go see Captain Marvel before the Avengers come out. I'm ready for it. Static, stoked, awesome. Just making words as I go. But yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end it off here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and I'll see y'all next time.